Hi there, I want to share with you my story with regards to the disappearing water in Jeep Grand Cherokee 2012. Of course, 2012 has similar mechanics as Jeep models from 2011 2014. They're similar looks and similar mechanics, so you may face the same problem in all those models. So a few weeks back, my car heated up and I noticed it, so I stopped the car. Don't run in your car while it's hot. You need to shut it down, wait for it to cool, fill the radiator with water after it cools down, and start checking for water leakage, any cracked pipes, hoses, or whatever it is. Nothing in there. I didn't want to take any risks. I sent the car to our corporate mechanic in the company that I work for to check what seems to be the problem. They checked, they could not find any problem. They told me, okay, keep just checking the water level, and if it goes down, just tell us. They checked for a few days, then nothing was there. The car was running normally. The water did not go down. However, all at once, the water disappeared. And then after like maybe 5 days of the time that I took the car back from the corporate mechanic. So I did not trust the corporate mechanic anymore. So I thought, okay, man, just take your car to a specialist. Maybe they know better. So I took the car to a specialist near my area, and he told me, dude, your car is mixing oil and water in the engine, of course. So of course that's a big job, and told me that would cost you $700 only for the maintenance without spare parts. They're gonna change the head gasket, clean the engine, and so on and so forth. I said of course no, because I checked the reviews online regarding this. The first sign that you need to look for when your car is when the mechanic tells you that your car is mixing oil and water is first check the water inside the radiator. If it's a creamy color, that means it's indeed mixing oil and water. Check the cap of the engine oil change. If it you flip the cap and you look inside it, if it has a white residue, that also means that it's mixing oil and water. Those signs were not there in my car, so I knew that this mechanic cannot be trusted. He's gonna rip me off and cost me an arm and a foot and eventually not fix my car. I called my corporate mechanic. He said, man, just trust us, bring the car and we'll make sure that we diagnose the problem, and if we send it to a specialist, we would know exactly what seems to be the problem. I sent it again to the corporate mechanic. What he did, he just started searching for those problems everywhere, and then he gave me a call a few days later. He said, man, I got it. I told him, what's the problem? He said, it is the gear oil cooler. It's turned out that the radiator module actually does not only cool the engine, it also runs some pipes all the way to the gear under the car in order for it to cool the oil for the gear. So he showed me, he took out the part. It was a small crack in the water module, and the reason that the water was disappearing is because the water was leaking over the gear, and because the gear is so hot, the water does not fall on the ground. It just leaks. It evaporates when it touches the gear. So that part costed about $200, and he installed it, and the car has been running perfectly since. I wanted to share with you my story, guys. Before you go and send your car to a mechanic, check the reviews online, check what's the possible problems, get those ODB2 devices to check the computer of the vehicle. It will save you a lot of money for your pocket, and can help you basically fix your car and diagnose the problems with yourself and avoid that those mechanics rip you off. I want to share my story, and that's it. I hope it helped all of you. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you don't like it, I don't know, go and do something to yourself. All right. Cheers, guys, and have a great day. Cheers. Bye.